Hi, in this video I will show you how to create and manage tasks inside the task module. To begin, go to Projects and select the specific project where you want to create all your tasks. Click on Tasks, and here you will see the different boards. If you want to create a new board, simply click on Add Column. You can customize your task board according to your organization's workflow. Here, you can rename the board title as needed. To create a task, you can either create a quick task from here or click on Add Task to add a detailed task description. If you already have a task template created in the Template Center, you can import that template directly to this board. Now I will show you how to create a quick task. When you click the Add Quick Task button, a task card will be created. From the board itself, you can edit the title, give the task name, set the due date, and assign the task to the appropriate team member. You can also change the task priority. Now the task has been created for that particular user. If you want to add more detailed information to the task, simply click on the task card. A detailed view will open. Here you can enter the task description and save the changes. On the right side, you can update the end date for this task. You can also change the assignee from here. Whenever the task status needs to be updated, you can change it directly from inside the task details. For every task, you can also assign a reporter. This means the assignee will report all task updates to this specific user. Scrolling down, you will find the Reminder section. You can set reminders. For example, if the task ends soon, you can choose to be reminded 4 days before the due date. You can set multiple reminders as needed. Scrolling further, you will see the checklist section. For a main task, there may be multiple sub-checklists. For example, for a 3D design task, you might have items like Concept Design, Initial Stage V-Ray Design Rendering. Each checklist item can be assigned to different users, and the same applies for other checklist items as well. When a checklist item is completed, the user can simply click the checkbox. This will update the task's overall progress. You can also view the progress percentage from here. If you want to attach any reference files or documents, you can upload them here. As a reporter, you can review the uploaded files and leave comments. This allows smooth communication with your team members for this particular task. If changes are needed, you can add a comment and attach any reference images. Once the comment is added, the assigned user will be notified immediately. You can also see the activity section where all updates related to this task will be displayed. This helps you track all actions taken on the task and coordinate better with your team. You can also view the tasks in list view. If you want to see tasks assigned to a specific user, simply click on the user to filter their tasks. Now you will be able to see only that user's tasks. If a task is completed or needs to be moved to another status, you can drag and drop it directly from the board. From the board view, you can also see the task progress percentage. This is how you can manage your tasks, assign them to team members, track their progress, and work together to complete the project efficiently. Thank you.